In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use stock images in HubSpot content with the Shutterstock integration. This is a powerful built-in feature that lets you search, preview, and insert professional stock images directly inside HubSpot without leaving the platform. Whether you're creating emails, landing pages, blog posts, social posts, or ads, this will save you time and streamline your workflow. Make sure to watch until the end so you know how to properly save images to your Files tool and insert them into your content the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Let's start with how to add stock images to your HubSpot Files tool. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, navigate to Content and then click on Files. If you're using HubSpot's free tools, go to Marketing, then Email. In the top right corner, click on Email Tools and choose Files from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside the Files tool, look at the top of the screen and click on the Stock Images tab. This is where the Shutterstock integration lives. In the center of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type in a keyword that matches the type of image you're looking for. For example, you could search for team meeting, digital marketing, or customer support. After typing your keyword, review the results that appear. When you find an image you like, click directly on the image to open its preview. In the bottom right corner, click Save to your files. This will add the stock image directly into your HubSpot file manager so you can reuse it anytime. If you want to change where the image is saved, click Change Folder at the bottom of the window. Select the folder you'd like to use, click Save, and then confirm by clicking Save to your files again. Now the image is stored exactly where you want it inside your file structure. That's how you add stock images to your Files tool. Now let's look at how to use those stock images directly in your content. If you've already saved a stock image, you can select it from the file picker while creating content, but you can also search for and insert stock images directly inside the content editor or social composer. Let's walk through the different scenarios. If you're creating a page, blog post, or using the classic email editor, click the image icon at the top of the editor. This opens the image selection panel. If you're using the drag-and-drop email editor, go to the Content tab in the left sidebar. Drag an image element into your email layout, then click Select Image. If you're creating a social post, click the image icon at the bottom of the Post Composer. And if you're building a Facebook lead ad or LinkedIn lead gen ad, go to the Ad tab inside the Ad editor and click Select Image or Video. Once the image selection window opens, go to the search bar at the top and enter your search term. Press Enter to load the results. Next, click the Stock Images tab at the top of the panel. This switches the results to Shutterstock Stock Library. Browse through the available images and click on any image to view its details. If you'd like to see a larger version, click Preview in full screen. When you're ready to use the image, click Save to your files in the bottom left corner. HubSpot will automatically insert the image into your page, email, social post, or ad. At the same time, it will also save the image to your Files tool so you can access it again later. And that's it. You now know how to search for stock images, save them to your HubSpot Files tool, organize them into folders, and insert them directly into your content using the Shutterstock integration. This feature makes it incredibly easy to maintain consistent, high-quality visuals across all of your marketing assets without downloading and re-uploading images manually. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.